What's up, guys? This is HH Trader back with another live trading video. Today we have three stocks on watch: PBTS, EARS, and WHLM, and we're getting ready to trade them. We have about 5 minutes to the open. Let's go ahead and look through them real quick. PBTS news. Had a little bit of news. It's has a strategic cooperation agreement with Huawei. Ears didn't have any real news on today. And then WHLM had a Form SC 3D, probably a new investor. Yeah, partners, LP, just a new investor looks like. But we're gonna see what these can do. I will be watching WHLM because it's the only one really holding up VWAP like I like. So that'll be my top watch for the day. And we'll just see what happens on the open. I would love to see it break this 875 level. Like to see it into the 80s. But over here on the daily chart, let's see where its daily resistance is. 7. Okay, it doesn't have a lot of resistance up there that I can really look at. Yeah. Alright. And then it just gapped up for no reason. So I don't like that move because it may pull back a whole lot. Alright. On very low volume as well. So we're definitely going to be careful with it. But it will be the one we're watching. About 3 minutes to 2 minutes to the bell. So we're going to have to get another pullback now. Top side of this, or it may actually break it right here. It was 84. Double top right there. Up, broke it. So yeah, we're going to have to see a pullback on this one. Because it may actually gap fill down here to the 864. One minute till open. Just letting it have its fun for now. Has a top up here of the 915. But we've got to see a pullback before. '90s. 15 seconds left. Big pullback right there. Top side is the 895. 896. $13 shares at the 896. I'll be in right there. 886 is my out. Okay. Cancel that order. Failed to cancel. Okay. Am I in? Don't know if I'm in or out here. Does not show any positions. My money has not moved. Failed because you have been update to this order. Blah blah blah. Don't know if I'm in or out on that one. But I don't know if it was filled. Zero filled. So it says zero filled, but we'll see. We'll see. I just hope it doesn't update and I'm down like $100. Okay, so it finally executed right there. Oh, I did buy. Wait, what? No. It finally canceled my order. Praise God. All right, so we are bounced off of VWAP. I don't like the 5-minute, but ears. Let's go look at ears. Ears is not playing any games. Ears is the one that I probably should have bought like that. But look how big these wicks are here. Wow, let's look for some red. Top side here is the 541. I am in. I'm in. What in the world? Hold up. So on VHLM, I am in. I did not know that. Okay. Just updated. So yeah, nice little take right there. I'm gonna start taking off here. Up 46 cents. That was a late update. I do know that. Very late update. I am selling a bit. Selling a bit. Nice little push there. Okay, 4 shares left. Come on, get me out now. Nice. Getting out right there. So it was just a slow update right there. Got 1 share left. I'm not gonna risk too much. Go ahead and get out because I was surprised to be in that stock at all. So that was a nice little trade. It hasn't even updated yet, but we'll look for this pullback for another entry. That was quick green. Wow. All right, let's see, 990s. And at this point, you can say, well, you should have held longer, but I didn't even know I was going to be in the trade. Like, literally, I went and looked at something else, and I saw my positions pop up over here. So I am green on that trade, though. Looking for the pullback. That was a late fill by Charles Schwab, or a late update to the system. Come on, give us that red. Give us that nice red. Alright, so right now the top of this high is the 992. 992. And I am willing to put in $120 on this one now that it showed me a little bit of what it can do. 975, 976 is where I'll be looking. And I'll get out at the 66. Alright, I'm in right there, out at the 66. Let's see if we can get a little bit of a push. Risking 10 cents. Okay, up right there. Ooh, that was a big little rejection. Let's see. Okay, out right there. Very small little loss right there. Okay, big pullback right there. Gee whiz, I'm glad I got out. Alright, we'll continue to watch this one. VWAP is at the 941. And this is why sometimes with free brokers, it's hard to take trades in this first couple of minutes because things like that happen. It doesn't show your position. I didn't even know I was in the position. I was in the position for a full 1, 2, 3, almost 4 minutes before I even knew. So be careful with those early trades. I knew it was a good, like I had a good feeling about it, but man, I'm gonna let this dead cat bounce and look where the new high is, and then I'll be looking for another entry here. 75 is looking like it's coming into play. 75, 76 mark. Let it pull back first though. 6. Okay, nice. Alright, so now 76 is where I'll be looking. I'll be out at the 66. Okay, got my out right there at the 66, risking 10 cents. Okay, out right there. Let's try it one more time. 76. Be out at the 66. Okay, I'm in right there. Looking for a little bit of more of a risking 10 cents here. Bouncing up to $10. Okay, up 34 cents right there. Looking to take some. Took one. Take again. Take again. Okay, I'll set the rest back at 66 for break even. Or 78, my bad. 78 is my break even. 78. 80. Take a little bit more there. Okay, got one share left. One share left. I'll leave it at the $10 mark. One share left. Will it get me out here? Took a lot up at the top. Looking for another entry. Either way it goes, it's a green trade. And it's one share, so I'm not really in danger. Okay. What are we going to do here? 10/20s. We can get back over the 25. I'll move it up to the 25. But it's looking a little weak. Alright, so 25 break is where I'm looking now. 25. Oh, wow. Got up there before I knew it. 25 break. 26 break. Get that in there. Looking for it. Be out at the 16. In there. Alright. Oh, it didn't let me get out. Alright. So let's just close all right there, because that was a massive breakdown. Nice little zoom down on me. I don't even know where that exit was, but I do know I lost quite a bit on that one. That last move. 59 cents on 10 shares. That's not bad. Let's see, I had entered. I had one share left. Yeah, that's not bad. I'm good. But that was a big move down right there. I'm glad I went ahead and got out of that. That was a 59-cent dip on 10 shares. So it's definitely below VWAP now. Not looking appetizing anymore. I did take several good trades. The biggest trade was 77 cents out. And as you can see, I was just popping one share at a time because I took, what, 15 shares? So I was just popping one share at a time. If I took more, But one thing I am trying to do today is manage the size of my account. So on an average day, I take 10 trades. So what I did is I took whatever I had to trade today and I divided it by 10. So I started with $1,265 or something like that. So I divided it by 10, and per trade I put in $120. So that helps me manage my risk and take the profit. So right now I am sitting green, and I am comfortable with sitting green right now. So yeah, we got 600 bucks, so we got half of it left. I'm trying to think. Do I need to let this other 600? I'm trying to think, how much do I have on my other side? 19. I may have enough. We'll see. We'll see how things play out. Right now, everything has fallen off the scanner. This did hit me for a little bit of profit, but because it was small share size, it wasn't as bad as it could have been. Because it dropped from the 1038 down to the 912. Very, very volatile stock. But I did catch some of the winnings here and here. So 120 bucks per trade. All right. What was those other ones? Ears was going down. PBTS was the other mover. All of them are fading now on Monday morning. It is 8:42, and I'm just waiting. If you guys see anything else out there, please let me know in the chat, and we can go and look at it. But for right now, my scanner is, hey, ATNF just popped up. ATNF, does it have news? Has no news. It's extended right now. I'm gonna let it pull back and see where the new bottom is. Right now, the 1070 is the last bottom that it had put in right here. So it is $2 off of this last bottom. So I don't want to be buying the top. ATNF looking good. It's above VWAP. Sellers coming in, getting that big sell bar. Let's see if that red gets over the green. Yep. Okay, let's let it come down some. Now, if it goes over, this is probably going to be a fake out because of how large this green, this red candle is. So I wouldn't buy this breakout. Looking for it to break down to 1216 here. And now what we'll look for is the dead cat bounce. Let me go and research this while it's doing this little thing. What was the name of that one? ATNF. Floats of 3.49 at Finviz. ATNF. Floats of 3.48 at Yahoo Finance. Does it have shelf registrations? No shelf registrations. So this one's a big dangerous one, huh? Alright, so ATNF 3.4 million. And now that it's tried to go down 3 times, I'm looking to buy over the top of this. High is a 1228. 1231. How many shares can I get up there? 9. Let's go 10. Try to go down 3 times. I'm looking for a break over this high. 28 into the 30s. Let's see if it continues to push down or what. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and put my order out there. Be out at the 21. Or will it continue to push down? Pushing down, broke the 12. Okay, nice, nice. Still looking at this 30 break. It's had plenty of downtime. Top side of this is a 12.17. So I'm looking for the 12.25 break, 12.26. I'll be out at the 16. Okay. Got out just that quick. Went that back down to the 16 in a second. Wow. So it did stop me right there very quickly. Did not like that action back down. Okay, so let's see if it can break back over the 36, 37 area. 37 area. Did it double top there? Looking for it to break back over this 36, 37. Breaking down there. Breaking all the way down. Alright. Well, we gave it a chance. It stopped me out very quickly. Very quickly. So I am following the plan, keeping it around that 10-cent area. Oh, it got it like 8 cents of slippage there on that one that I got out on. 8 cents of slippage. All right. Anybody else want to play today? Well, I much rather that 18 cents than what it's now. That would have been like, let's see, got stopped out. I went in at the 25, set my out, or actually, let me see where it actually filled me on this ATNF. It filled me buy at the 20. It bought 6 shares at the 28, 4 shares at the 26, which was my actual entry set, and then sold. Where's the sale? Okay, and then it sold at the 12.09. So yeah, that was quite a bit of slippage from that the 16. But it's all good. Let's continue to play ball. It's just now 9 o'clock, so we should see some rebounding effects. And I can actually just look through the ones that we have been looking at. That one's gone. Ears is gone. WHLM. Wow, it halted going down. Wow, I'm glad I sold that. Halted going down. From it was up here at the 10 where I bought. Up here 10.15, and now it's down at the 8.21. This is why we don't hold the bag. All right. So we're forming a new support level here that is above our previous one for right now. See if it breaks on down. 1108. Okay, looks like it's holding right there. So we'll throw that. Well, looks like it's not holding right there. Getting on down there to that previous bottom. But now it's so far away from VWAP, I don't even want to mess with it right now. Ugh. VWAP is at the 1165. It's 65 cents away from VWAP. That's a long way. Let's see if we can hold up this 1087. SOS. John says SOS. SOS. Okay. Market cap. What's the float? 13.8. What's the volume? Okay. Oh, this one. Okay, I know why this one isn't on there yet. It hasn't reached the right percentage. Once it gets over 10%, it'll pop up. But it is struggling to get 10%. So let me look. Yeah, it'll definitely pop up on my scanner if it gets over 10%. But I want to see some volatility. This thing went from the 46 up to that's a 40-cent move. That's okay. It's nice. Now this may be one that let me look at the news. It may be a grinder throughout the day if it has news. Investor action. Okay, the Slaw law firm reminds investors of a class action lawsuit against SOS Limited. There's no way I'm putting my money in this. Absolutely no way. It's got a lawsuit against it, so nope. There's a reason they're struggling to get over 10. I don't even know why it's up. Who would buy this? Who's buying this? Into a non-buying letter of intent. Okay. It has no good news at all. So that is Satan sauce right there. I wouldn't touch that. TNF. We'll see if they can get back over VWAP. Okay, come on. Can we get back over VWAP? VWAP is at the 1159, working its way down. It is forming higher lows here. Watch, as soon as I try to put this support line, it's going to go down. 1104, so it has one level of support at the 1071, but it needs to test one of these twice. We really haven't seen it test any of these twice to give us a confirmed bottom, especially under VWAP. If it tests twice, the shorts are going to get nervous and they start to jump out. Yeah, it's not looking good. Looking real heavy under that VWAP. What's the SPY doing today? SPY is down, down, and more down. It shot up. Man, I bet if somebody was long in this position, ooh, they're hurt now. Look how much it shot up in pre-market. All the way up to the 411 quickly and then back down to the 410. And that's not even a big move, really. That's a dollar move. But it looks so much bigger than that. Alright, where is the new bottom? It's the only thing on the scanner right now. And today I am more than willing to walk away with green because I'm tired of being green and then taking an extra trade that's not really the setup that I like and losing my green. Bro, when I tell you that aggravates me to no avail. So I got my walking shoes already on. Going down and challenging that bottom, pushing, tap through there. Let's see if we can get a full body through there. Nope, popped off of that one. So this may be a bottom. We have to see. 1114. Come on. Also, I did end up changing the criteria on my scanner. So here's the new criteria that I came up with so I can actually see things before they get up to 20%, because it was kind of slowing me down not seeing things before then. So these are my new criteria points right there. And they allow me to just see things a little bit earlier than 20%. Sometimes when things hit 20%, they go so quickly, I just can't even catch them. This one definitely looks like it can get up and go. It made a lower low here, but it has tested this level 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times. Only problem is it's still below VWAP. Popping up there. Can we go and challenge that VWAP? Quick pop down. So it's also testing the 1150 up here. 1150 is our resistance right there. Getting up there, popping. This high was 1147. Popped all the way up there. Let's see if it can hold above that 1150. Ooh, bad rejection right there. Oh, wow. Never mind. Let's get a pullback above that VWAP then. The high here is 1170. Got 15 seconds left on this candle. Volume is not as steep as it was earlier, so got to be careful. 60s. All right, let's look for this pullback. Okay, that was a nice little pullback to VWAP. Top side of this high is 1183. So I'm looking for a retest of the 76. 76, and I just use VWAP as my, or no, I won't use VWAP as my out. I'm looking for that 76 break. I'll be out at the 66. Continues to pull back there. Let's see if it'll go on through the VWAP or not. 66 will be my out. Is it gonna go? Breaking on down. I'm gonna cancel that order. Continues to test that VWAP, so I'm not trusting it too much. Watch it goes now. 77. Oh, look at that. Look at that. I hate you, market. Well, it did get a little snappy right there, so I'm kind of glad I did cancel that order. A little bit snappy. Struggling with that 75. I let this candle close and see what it's gonna do. Wow, looks like it wants to go to the 90s. Wow, 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 that was a nice move. See how far this thing can pull back. High here is a 98, so the $12 break. 1201. Size down a little bit for a 1201 break. Wow. Yeah. Size down for the 1201. Be out at the 1190. If it can continue. Small sizing. Okay, will it break down? If it breaks down out, yep, cancel that order. Alright, so this one, High is the 85. 85, 86 area. Struggling to hold up, but it is right at the top, that top level, breaking down through VWAP. Not looking too nice. Broke that top level, but this is starting to look like a little bit of support if it can come back above it. We'll change that to green real quick. Can it come back above this level? Now we have a nice little trend line we can draw. Okay, trend line set up. We're gonna see if this thing is a grinder. Can it get back above the VWAP 1155? Will it break down here? 1135, will it break? It snapped through it just a little bit. Okay, full break. Definitely got to wait on that one. So that was a fake over VWAP. Not good at all. Looking like it wants to get back up a little bit. It's got 10 cents away from VWAP. It needs to pop. Pop that 50. Okay, popping the 50. Looking for a pop through the 59 and a hold above VWAP. VWAP is holding it down right now. Broke the 50. Just not looking good right now. Guess this may be a little bit of a support right here. 1151. See if it breaks that. Say higher low. Looking real heavy. Okay, got some buying pressure off of that. Where are the buyer or where are the sellers sitting? At this 1172 area. Okay. Just got to get back up here and fight this trend. If it pulls back above this top, or nope. Let's see, 1151, 1131. Can it pull back above the 1131? Might be willing to take a trade on the break of this 62 if it can. But now it doesn't look too good. Nice topping tail there. So this is the back side of the move. If you're gonna make money on this, you got to take quick dip buys. Like on this candle, buy down here, sell here. This candle, very small profit taking. John, did you end up trading SOS, or did you not touch it? So we got this 1103 there. So it came down and tested this level 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Looks like about to be 6 times. All right, looking like it wants to come back up. Get back over VWAP. $11.38. Short stepping in on it heavy. ACY popping up there. ACY up 30%. Halted going up. Top side of this is a 1364, 1350s. So I'm looking 1350. I'm gonna go in a little bit smaller. All right, let's see. Did it have news on the day? No news on the day. Okay. 1351, 1326. I'll go in 1326 and be out at the 16. Big downwards movement. Be out at the 16, looking for a press up. Very quick in and out. 35 is the top of this one, high of the 35. Okay, 36. I think I'm gonna try 26 again. Yeah, 26. Be out at the 16. Out again. Very quick. Let's try it again. 26, actually 31 this time. 31, be out at the 21. Looking forward to push up. Just not giving us the moves, is it? High 35. We'll move back to the 26. Okay, definitely going down. I'm gonna cancel that order. ATNF. Holy G, bruh. I looked away for a second. All right, let's see what this one wants to do. High of the 12.12. I don't want to take it yet because it did do a fake over this $12. It doesn't look like a fake anymore. Looking for that pullback above VWAP for an entry. ACY doing too much chopping now, losing its volatility. All right, ATNF is what we're waiting on. This may be the last trade of the day. Just to be safe, let it pull back. See if it can stay out of this trend. Looking for it to break down at 15. Looking for the 15 to pop up here on the tape. All right, 10s. All right, there we go. Let's see how far it goes down. Can it hold above this 1182? Well, went down there and tapped it. 1182 right there. Wow, it's big. What in the world? All right, we're just gonna have to wait for a true pullback because that did not look good at all. Yeah, it's probably gonna go though. It's looking real strong here. 24, but I don't want to buy it and then get ripped. Looking for a little bit of a pullback. Give it some red. All right, here comes the red. So this high is the 22, 1222. Do I want to buy this high with it looking this extended? I want to see a little bit of consolidation here first. What did ACY end up doing? ACY did fade off. Alright, double top there, 28. So that's confirmation that we're going to have to watch and wait for some consolidation. This needs to hold up the 12.0, or actually the 9, the 11.59. It's going to give us a little bit of a dip buy opportunity. Give us that red back to the 9. Do know one thing, it's taking its sweet time getting pushed down by the shorts. There it is. Alright, so it came down to the 9 right there. What's the high of this? Is the 23. So we're looking for that 26 break. We'll be out at the 16 since it is a very sporadic stock. See if we can get over that 26. Okay, I think I'm gonna end up canceling this order the way it's looking. Okay, 26. Still sitting there at the 26. Snatch some people in right there. Okay, I'll be out at the 16. Wow, my gosh, that was quick. Had the 10-cent share in there. Let's go back to the 30s. 31. That's insane. Come on now. Look at that pullback. Look at that, what I would have been stuck in. Alright. Huge red bar. Let's see if it closes red. Did close red. Definitely should have waited for my confirmation. But it's all good. I think I lost, what, 10 cents there? ATNF. Yeah, 8 cents there on that one. No, 19 cents. That was it. What stock is this? ATNF? Okay. 8 cents, yeah. Okay. Alright. So it pulled back on me a little bit. ACY I'm not messing with anymore. Got down there to VWAP. Top side of this is a 12-15 area. Wonder is this one going to be a chopper? Oh boy, small little red day. This has turned into be, or this is turning into. I am still very interested in it though. And I think I'm gonna take it over this 12.15. Let a dead cat bounce first though. Let it close this candle. The high there is a 12.09, 12.11. Let it close up first. So I'll be getting in at the 12.11 if it can push back up there. Yep, I don't see that happening. Let's let this close up. Let's get back over the 12s. Hmm. Twelve, 13. Looking for that 12.13. Be out at the $12 if it can get up there. Let's make that 11.99. So we'll let 12 kind of shield us. Okay, 11.99. I'll be out. Come on, bro. I'm trying to play this safe. As safe as possible. 12s. Looking for it to go ahead and push out. Be moving up in a little bit. My entry position was the 12.13. I'm gonna let it play here for a minute. I already got my risk set. Got 30 minutes. Come on, buddy. Stay up. Stay above 12. That was a big green candle. Hopefully it can push up a little bit more. We'll be looking to get the break even. or it may just stop me out. It looked good over here on the 5 minute, but I don't know. Looking kind of heavy, that top and tail. Okay, pushing on up there. Looking like I need to move up to break even, 12.13. If it can continue to push up. Right now the shorts are battling with it. Love to see them get past the 25 here. They can get past the 25. I'm looking at break even, 12.13, 12.15. So it'll be a green trade either way. Let's get past that 25. There we go. May break down here. Held up to 12 right there, so this will be the new bottom, low of the 1203. See if it can push up just a bit. Into the 20s, can we get it? Alright, so we got into the 20s but immediately got shut down. Looking for it to stay in the 20s to change this. 22, can we get a little bit more push? 22s, 20s, 23, 24. Alright, moving it up to the 1203. And now next position would be the 1213, 1215, 1215. Another nice little pullback. So I put to 1215. It'll be a green trade either way it goes, but it needs to continue. Cannot risk anymore. Alright, 20 coming into play. Stay above the 20 and we're good to go. If not, just get stopped out here. Got bought back up above the 25. Just holding and waiting. Can it get back above the 35? 35 is where we would like to see it go. 39s, 40s. I'm gonna move it up to the 25 if it can get going. Ooh, that doesn't look good. Let's see, 25s. Can it get that push out? Push back above this 36, 35 level. Alright. So I'm at the 25 for an out. Out right there. Ended it on a green day, I guess. Small green, but had to get that back out of the red. Looking for a little bit more of a push, but it may not give it. It may go ahead and break this 22. Yep, there's the break. There is the break right there. Alright, so it's 9:35. Everything is pretty much done running for the day. So it did break this previous low as well, this 1204. I may just let this 185 roll over to the next day and just walk away because I do have my walking shoes on, so I'm just gonna walk away. I'll continue to watch it for a little bit, but I'll keep the stream rolling until 10 a.m. and then I'll go ahead and shut it. Big little dip there though to the 1203. This may be a grinder. Still above the VWAP, made a higher low on the 5-minute at $12. But I don't know if I want to play with it anymore. Oh, it looks like it wants to still party. Let's see if we can do a pullback above this 9. But I got 185 left. And then it's losing its trend upward as well. Starting to flatten out. So we got a support level here. We got a support level here. It's been tested a couple of times. 1, 2. Let's see if it forms a higher low. The low of this is the 1220. Can it hold up the 1220s? Touch the 1220s, broke the 1220s. See if we can hold up this level. 1, 2, 3. This will be 4 times holding up this level. Okay. The high here is a 1230. Size down. Go for that 1231. Did hold up that level once again. Let this dead cat bounce. Dead cat bounce has to close green though. Top side is a 25. 27. That's where I'll be looking to get in. You know what? I'll just put it 31. I'm not going to play with it. 31. I want to get all the way into the 30s. Three seconds left on this candle. Then I add my order. 31. In there. 21. I'll be out. Looking for a continued push here. Moving up to the 25. If it can push a little bit. Ooh, that was a big pullback. Waiting to see how this closes to move up to the 25. Looking for that 32 to pop up. Not getting it. 5 seconds left on this candle. Alright. Can we get to the 25 here? Looks like we kinda. Okay, 25 is our next out on our risk tolerance. 30 coming into play and out. All right. What was this other one? PLBY. Trash. Too expensive. All right. What was the top of this one? The high of the 41. I look for that 41 be out at the 31. Got my out ready to go. 31 already out. I'm gonna leave it there. I'm done. I'm gonna leave it there. I'm gonna stay with what little green that I have, because there is no way this thing is stopping me out like this. Bruh, are y'all seeing this? Oh my gosh, bruh. Oh my goodness, man. I had the perfect entry. The buyers just were not coming in fast enough for me. Oh my goodness, man. Oi, oi, oi. Oh my gosh. That just killed me right there. I'm done with this stock. I can't get a read on it, so I'm done with it. Oh my gosh. I had my bought at the 41. I got impatient. It broke to the 75. Oh man. Holding my head, wondering how. Oh my goodness. I'm done. I'm done with it. I'd rather just walk away with what I got. We can look at these realized gains and losses real quick. Got me stressed out here. Alright, so we got WHML. We took a couple of losses, kept them small. That ATNF one that we just lost on was 6 cents. Very small losses compared to our winnings. But man, that thing pushed to the sky. Oh my gosh. It's so choppy. I just couldn't wait. So choppy, man. But that is the pattern. It's been doing that. It did it here. Went up, gave a pullback, went up, and probably gonna give another pullback. Or it may just go to the moon now. The way it's looking. Oh my goodness, man. Okay, it's breaking down. That's what I like to see. I'm not gonna take any more trades on it. I'm gonna conserve my profits. What little profits I have, it's probably like a cent. I don't even know how much that is of my total account. Let me go look. Yeah, I'm definitely not trusting that. It's getting a little bit too choppy. ACY faded on off. Tried to get back over VWAP. Big move down. PLBY. Why are you here? This big market cap is what's got it here. It moved from the 28 up to the $30, so that's a $2 move. But how can you even plan for that? You can't even plan for that. That's why I don't like these high cap stocks. They're too sporadic. I'm going to change this back to at least 500. 500 would be good. But anyway, PLBY. It should be disappearing. Okay, there it goes. ATNF. Yeah, it's getting too choppy now. It's hard to manage your risk on it. Got 15 minutes left on the stream. I'll let it roll. I'm done trading, but I'll let it roll. We'll see what AT&F is gonna do. Man, AT&F definitely disappointed me this morning, but it's Monday morning and I'm not super red, so it's okay. I'm good. Oh, this looks like it's gonna go 75, bounce all the way up there. What's the top of this? 82. Oh man, I gotta do it. I gotta do it. 82, 83. What I got? $62. Ah, I gotta do it. It's making me do it. I'm gonna do 2 shares. I'm not gonna go in big. Let's see where this thing pulls back to. 75 break. 75, 76, 81. 81 is where I'm looking. See if they can punch out of there. If it hits the 70s, I'm definitely putting it in. And holding because it's only 2 shares. Looking like it wants to give some moves downward. What's the top of this? 73. So it's 76 buy coming into play. Alright, it snapped under that, so I don't like that anymore. Have to wait for a dead cat bounce. Broke the 1250. We have about 10 minutes left on the stream, and I am cutting it. Ooh, ooh, what do you think? Ooh, ooh. I'm so glad I didn't buy. Oh my gosh, boy, you talking about a loss? Oh my goodness, that thing took me to purgatory. Gee whiz! All right, that was a big move down from the 1250s down into the 1182. Oh my goodness. I didn't like it because it messed up my strat, but oh man, I was not expecting that. I was not. You know what? Now I'm happy with my small green day. I'm perfectly fine with it. Gee whiz. Oh my goodness. All the way back down to the, oh man. Wow. The market is amazing. I will take my little, I don't even know what I'm green. I know I was red on the day. I came back, I'm up 16 cents. 16 cents green. Not even enough to, you know what, but I'm happy that I did not get into this because it would have been a lot more than that. Or a lot more red than that. I think overall I was down about maybe $10 on the day, maybe. But back to the green, and I'd rather keep profits coming in daily than be losing. So I'm just accumulating green days no matter how small. I'm thankful for my green days. That was a big move down though. I can't believe it did that. Why? What happened? I don't know, man. Those sellers were not having it up there. But yeah. So I said there was 10 minutes left on the stream, but since everything is below VWAP and nothing is over 10% and getting that volume that we like, I just inclined to stop looking, especially since I'm not going to trade anymore. So, alright, I'm just going to shut it down here. I'll do my recap after this, and yeah, I'm done for the day. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Don't forget to hit the like, and check out my streams every morning on YouTube or Twitch. And that's it. I'm done. I'm walking away. I'm going to go ahead and get on with the rest of my day. And as always, I will see you all in the next one. Peace.